So guys, starting our morning off. About to go on a hike in the Redwoods. Protein pancakes. And then, yeah, we're gonna get out of here. Bro, look at the shape on those pancakes. And look at a little mini one right there. Just do a little flip. Perfect. Here's our finished product. Got protein pancakes, 3 of them. 1 egg, banana. There's probably like 35, 40 grams of protein right here. We're gonna do a little honey on the pancakes. Okay, there we go. There's our meal for the day. Try it. Doesn't taste like no banana pancake in Thailand, but it's Thai's pancake. It's pretty good. .5 out of 10. I like to eat my pancakes first and eggs, so you're not getting a review on an egg. But we'll catch you guys on the trail a little bit. Just starting the hike with Mother. Mom, what's this place called? Huh? What's this place called?
That's what it's called.
Redwood Trail. We're on the Redwood Trail. Are we in Oregon and California? We're in Oregon. In the Redwood National Forest. Mom's looking at some mush. Stay tuned. Mom, you found some oysters? Look at that. Is that redwood? That's a redwood. Damn. Nice bridge right there. It's huge.
There's a sign at the end when we get back that you can figure out what it is.
This old mossy bridge. What the hell? There's moss over the growing pond. So peaceful. Oh fuck no! I want to go lay up there on that moss. I want to lay on that so bad. Should I? Fuck it. Wearing Birks too. Well, guys, look it. We found some big trees. Let's go check them out. Dude, it's a cool trail. Look at that boy, dude. Holy shit. Came back and got my limbs on because we found some cool trees up there. So I'm actually gonna go a little hike. So. That's awesome. Bruh. No way. It's from a fire, dude. Oh my god. It's a toad. Can't you guys see? I was in a cave yesterday, now I'm in a tree. What the fuck, dude? Yeah. So the trail from that other tree we just ran. We found another big one. Big ass redwood tree. We'll see plenty more. Keep checking these bad boys out. Oh, there's another one up here. Stay tuned. Look at that toad, man. It's like 3 or 4 trees on that fucker, dude. Bro, it's crazy to think about, like, when you're just in a different forest on how different it is. Like, a lot of the same trees, but not at the same time. Like, on the other side of Oregon, we don't have bunches of ferns like this. We have some ferns, but nothing like this. But it's so interesting, man. Just really like it. Big tree, kind of dead ends out here. Endless trail. Let's go back down here. See you next time. This trail's kind of steep, so I did it till it dead end. There's another trail up there. Mom's down at the bottom. There's the moss. You guys having a good day? Found a little trail. We're just checking it out down here and see what this is about. Oh, fuck yeah. We're heading back. Road's right there. We gotta go check a new spot. We just got some little footage for you guys on a couple trees. We're in the right spot. Some mush. Stefan would like this. Shit, bro.